Chapter 7. The Aeroplane. Read and enjoy. Look at the aeroplane up in the sky. Seems like a giant lark soaring on high. See, on its outspread wing flashes the light. There sits the pilot brave, guiding its flight. Hark, what a whirring song comes from its throat. Purr, purr of the engine. It's only a note. Now high and higher yet, upward it goes, still but a tiny speck. Giant heaven it shows. Oh, here it is again, big as before, gracefully gliding down to earth once more. Glossary. Lark, a small brown bird known for its sweet voice. Soaring, rising quickly into the air. Flash, to shine very brightly for a short time. Whirring, a continuous low sound. Peck, a small piece.